Hello everyone, welcome to my civil channel. Today I'm gonna speak about the ribbon. One of the main important and useful command in AutoCAD is ribbon, which we will go today under the home tab, which has more than 10 palettes. We will go today briefly explain about all of them, but later on I will explain with the detail. Before we are starting about the ribbon, let me tell you two things about them. These commands, some of them are grouped under the drop down menu, so you just can click on them, and this is the down menu. Other than that, if you want the panel to be in your workspace, for example the annotation, draw or anything like that, and use as a floating palette, just move the cursor and then move it on your workplace. And if you want to return it back to the ribbon, just cursor over there, and then you have this option, which is return the panel to the ribbon. So let's start with the first panel, which is the draw. The draw panel has a different command: line, polyline, circle, arc. Let's try, for example, one circle. You just put the command and then try it, or the line. Then we will have the modify. As you can know from the name, any modification you want to do, you can use it from here. Just let's try one of them briefly as a move modification. Just you select an object, right click, and then move it. And then we have the annotation, which is responsible for text, dimension, and you can make a table also as well. The next palette, we have the layers. You can make different layers. Then we have the blocks. You can insert as a block, you can add them, edit them. After that, we have the match properties. Match property is one of the useful one. The match properties, you have lots of properties you can make it. You can change the layer line, you can match the two properties together. So let's give you an example. Or even you can change the color. So for example, you want to change the circle color, you can just press on that one. Let's make it red, and then that's it, it's become red. After that, we have the groups. You can add particle together to make it as a one group. For example, you want to make these two as a one group, just circle them and then add them as a group. Now these two will act as one group. I will explain all of this thing in the detail later on. Then you have the utilities. The utilities, you can measure area, angle, distance, whatever you need, the radius, angle, area, volume, and all this thing. Then we have the clipboard. The clipboard is to transfer between the files. For example, you have another AutoCAD file, you want to transfer it, you can easily use the clipboard and move it to this side. And then you have the last one, which is the view, which will how to view the objects. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.